Welcome to the optical cable production line of Soct Fibre's factory. We are currently carrying out the production of loose tubes for outdoor optical cables. All outdoor optical cables are constructed with loose tubes, and the fibre count per loose tube is available in 6, 8, 12 or 24 fibres. We are manufacturing 6 fibre loose tubes at present, so 6 reels of optical fibres are placed here. 8 reels would be used for 8 fibre loose tubes instead. Right now, the fibre payout process is in progress. This section is designated for fibre compound filling, which acts as a protective medium for the optical fibres inside the loose tube. After that, the fibres move through an extrusion die to form coloured loose tubes. Loose tubes come in a wide range of colour specifications. A single loose tube is generally blue, while a 2-tube configuration is typically blue and orange. Next, the loose tubes go through water trough, cooling to reduce their surface temperature, followed by a spray cooling system to prolong the water cooling duration. Finally, the loose tube take-up process is executed. The speed of this production line reaches 300 meters per minute. The finished loose tubes are wound onto intermediate plastic reels, which are prepared for the subsequent outdoor optical cable stranding process.